Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am pursuing 10th grade at Lokchi Tutorial. Today, I want to say an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now, I am saying complete seminar regarding carbon and its compounds. Before I am starting the seminar, I want to share very important few lines in my today's seminar. So, imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Today, my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark, and 8 mark important questions. Maybe these questions will come in public exams also. So, please, my humble advice is please watch my video from starting point to ending point without fail. Let's start the seminar. Yes. Carbon and its compounds. In this topic, the main important is carbon. The carbon is an element in the periodic table. It is a main important element in the 30 elements. The carbon is a very purified material in the element. It contains hybridization process. It also very useful for purification, and the carbon atomic number is 6. The carbon electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. Here the carbon contains 6 electrons. It will be present 2px, 2py and 2pz. In this state, the ground state to excited state will be promotion of electron will be occur. Example, in any pairing of electrons is there, the pairing of electrons is divided into 3. Here the carbon electrons ground state to excited state is traveled. So here we concluded that in the carbon also of an electron the promotion will be occur. Here the electrons will be 2px, 2py and 2pz. These 3 stages the electrons will be excited. Are you understood? I hope you are all understood. Let's move to next topic. Yes. Hybridization. Do you know what is hybridization? The hybridization is nothing but the intermixing of orbitals, the redistribution of orbitals with a new set of with the equal energy and the equal shape and size. It is known as hybridization. In the hybridization process, there are 3 types is there. sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization. First, we'll discuss about sp hybridization. The sp hybridization is nothing but the intermixing of one s orbital, one p orbital is known as sp hybridization. sp2 hybridization. The sp2 hybridization is nothing but the intermixing of one s orbital, 2 p orbitals is known as sp2 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. The sp3 hybridization is nothing but the intermixing of one s orbital, 3 p orbitals is known as sp3 hybridization. By the hybridization process, the more materials will be produced. The hybridization is a new component in the carbon atoms, the producing of 6 electrons in the ground state to excited state. Let's move to next topic. Yes, allotropes of carbons. The allotropes is nothing but there are 2 or more physical forms or less than chemical forms, but the different physical properties, it is known as allotrope. Here allotropes of carbons are 2 types: amorphous forms, crystalline forms. First, we'll discuss about amorphous forms. Here the amorphous forms is nothing but it is a natural material by producing chemically. Example, wood, charcoal, petrol, diesel. These are the example for the amorphous forms. Let's move to next topic, crystalline forms. In the crystalline forms is nothing but it contain solid like structure. Example, diamond, graphite, bulk miniature fluorines, nanotubes. First, we discuss about diamond. The diamond is it contain the carbon atoms are present in the carbon in the diamond is sp2 hybridization. It is very hard substance. It contains 3D shape molecular shape, and the diamond contain tetrahedral shape. Here diamond is a hard substance. It also good conductor for the electricity. Let's move to the next topic. Graphite. Graphite is nothing but it is also a element in the periodic table. The atomic number is a it contains symbol Pb. It is lead. The graphite contain the carbon atoms are present in the graphite sp3 hybridization. It is a very soft substance. It is 2D shape. It is also good conductor for the electricity. Let's move to the next topic. Buckminster fullerenes. It is useful for the medical. The Buckminster fullerenes contain 12 pentagons, 20 hexagonal shapes. It is a good medical vaccine for the malaria diseases, fever, cold and cough. This is a good medicine for the Buckminster fullerenes. It contains 60 carbon atoms. It contains 20 hexagonal, 12 pentagonal shapes. Are you understood? I hope you are all understood. Yes. Let's move to the next topic. Nanotubes. The nanotubes contain the tube-like structure. It contains hexagonal shapes. And it discovered in the 1991 by the Sumioli Jima. He is a great scientist. He discovered the nanotubes. The nanotubes contain tube-like structure with the hexagonal shapes. Are you understood? I hope you are all understood. Let's move to the next topic. Catenation process. Do you know what is catenation process? Is the producing of carbon atom with their own the properties of an atom, the producing their own atom molecules is known as catenation process. Let's move to the next topic. Here after the catenation process, the hydrocarbons will be produced. The hydrocarbons is nothing but the combination of hydrogen and the carbon. It is hydrocarbon. And saturated hydrocarbon and the unsaturated hydrocarbon is there. First, we discussed about saturated hydrocarbon. The saturated hydrocarbon is nothing but the carbon atom contain single bonds is known as saturated hydrocarbon, and unsaturated hydrocarbon is nothing but the carbon atoms contain double bonds. It is known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Let's move to the next topic. Here the chemical properties of carbon atoms is there. Here 4 reactions is there: combustion reaction, oxidation reaction, addition reaction and substitution reaction. First, we discuss about combustion reaction. The combustion reaction is nothing but the heating of CO2 in the absence of oxygen is known as combustion reaction. And oxidation reaction, the heating of CO2 in the presence of oxygen is known as oxidation reaction. And addition reaction, here the any atom is replaced by any molecule or any atom is known as addition reaction. And substitution reaction, if any orbital is missing in the electronic configuration, the orbital or any atom is replaced again and again. Here is known as substitution reaction. These 4 reactions are very important for 4 marks. Same question asked in public exam previously 4 times. Let's move to next topic. Esterification process. In this session, very important activity is there. The activity aim is to prove the esterification process. The esterification is nothing but the producing of sweet odor in the presence of concentration of H2SO4 and the yeast with the help of water is known as esterification process. First, the apparatus is take a beaker and take a stirrer. First, add some glucose or C6H12O6. It is a formula for the glucose. And take a stirrer and pour and mix well and take H2SO4 concentration. H2SO4 is nothing but sulfuric acid. It is a king of acid, and add in the glucose solution and burn it for few minutes. After the observation is when the burning will occur, the sweet odor smell will be appear in the test tube, because here burning with the presence of oxygen and the heat, here the combustion reaction process is occurred. This is known as esterification process. Let's move to next topic, soapanification process. We are a soap. Example for Lifebuoy, Santur, this like soaps is there. But how the soap molecule are producing? Do you know? What is another name for soap? Micelle. A soap contain highly fatty acids. It contain esters, alkynes in the presence of hydrocarbons. In the presence of ethyl alcohol and the higher fatty acids, the soap molecules are producing. This is known as soaponification process. The micelle contain snake-like structure. It contain one hydrophobic and the hydrophilic. I will show the image of micelle. Here the soap molecule is there. Here the shape is known as hydrophobic end. Here hydrophilic is there. This is the soap molecule, but we don't know how the soap is producing, how the soap molecule structure is there. This is the structure of soap molecule. Are you understood? I hope you are all understood. In this lesson, very important chain is there. Do you know what is chain? In the adding of one atom to another atom by the bonds is known as chain. I will show some important chains in this session. How the open chain is there, how the closed chain is there, how the saturated hydrocarbon chain is there, how the alkanes, alkenes, esters, ethers and alcohol bonds are will be produced in the presence of chains. I will show. This is the open and closed chain hydrocarbon. This is the open chain. Here no end is there. It is the open chain. This is closed chain. Here the CH2, it contain not will be end manner. It contain close. This is the saturated hydrocarbon chain. These unsaturated hydrocarbons. This is all chains. By the producing the chains, any hot substance or any object will be produced. This hydrocarbon, the carbon atoms with the CHX in the presence of CH3, this single bond. This is not a line. This is single bond. Bromine. The carbon atoms with CHO, alcohols. Do you know how the chain is present in the alcohol solution? This chain will be produced. And aldehydes. In the presence of formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, the propanol dehyde will be produced. These are the how the molecule structure will be present in the under the chain. By the chain, we know the structure. This ketone. The simple ketone is acetone, dimethyl ketone, and ethyl methyl and ketone. This carboxylic acid in the presence of formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid, the carboxylic acid will be produced. This is ethers. CH3 it contains dimethyl ether, ethyl methyl ether, and methyl vinyl ether. These is the chains in the different chains in the presence of ethers. Esters. We discuss now on the esterification process. Here the ester chain is there. Dimethyl ester, ethyl methyl ester, and diethyl ester. Amines. Here the hydrocarbon chains, saturated chains are is there, but we don't know how the number will be given in the chain. How many carbon atoms is there in the chain? By the some rules we will know how the number will be given in the chain. Here starting onwards, one carbon atom, second carbon atom, third carbon atom, fourth carbon atom, fifth carbon atom. By the observing this manner, the numbers will be given. The lowest sum rule. This is incorrect method. This the 5 4 3 2 1. This incorrect method. The 1 2 3 4 5. When the starting numbers will be occur, the numbering value. This correct method. Lowest sum rule. Here the lowest sum rule present. This is correct method. Here the lowest. When the lowest component is there in a chain, the number will be given at a certain place. Here this is lowest sum rule. It contains least number. It contains some bigger value. It contains some important number. It contains 1 2 3 4 5. Here the ascending order to descending order will be present in the chain. Are you observe? Here reaction of carbon chemical properties. We are discussing now combustion reaction, addition reaction, substitution reaction, oxidation reaction. I will show how the reaction will be occur in the presence of some important equations. In the presence of carbon and oxygen, the CO2 and the energy will be produced. In the combustion reaction, the presence of 2C2H6 plus CO2, the 4CO2 6H2O plus energy will be produced. When the CH3CH2OH plus 3O2, it will give stress to CO2 plus 3H2O plus energy. This is a combustion reaction. This is oxidation reaction. In the presence of CH3CH2OH, it gives stage to alkaline KMNO4. KMNO4 is nothing but potassium nitrate plus heat. K2Cr2O2 plus heat. It will produce CH3CHO, ethanol or acetic acid. It gives stage to CH3COOH. Here the acetic acid will be produced. The formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. The another name for acetic acid is ethanoic acid. Are you understood? I hope you are all understood. Addition reaction. The presence of CH3. Here triple bond is there. Are you observe? Triple bond is there between CH3 and carbon, and single bond CH3 in the presence of Nike catalyst plus H2 hydrogen. CH3CH double bond and CH single bond CH3. It is a chain in the presence of double bond and single bond. The butane plus Nike catalyst and hydrogen. in the presence of CH3, CH2, CH2, CH. The butane will be occur. The butane is nothing but four components is there in the carbon. Here four, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four carbon atoms is there. So here we conclude that the four carbons are there in the chain. This is the butane. And this is the last reaction, substitution reaction. Methane plus chloride. In the presence of sunlight, the CH3Cl plus hydrochloric acid will be produced. CH3Cl plus chlorine, it gives rise to sunlight. CH2Cl2 plus hydrochloric acid will be produced. These are the reactions will be asked in the public exam for 2 marks or 4 marks, and explain the reactions how will be occur. The same question asked in public exam previously 6 times in the presence of reactions. Before I am leaving the seminar, I want to repeat very important questions in the carbon and its compounds. What is carbon? What is promotion of an electron will be occur in the presence of in the carbon? What is hybridization? What is sp hybridization? What is sp2 hybridization? What is sp3 hybridization? How the hybridization process will be occur in the presence of orbitals? What is allotrope? Explain about diamond. What is the difference between diamond and graphite? Explain about Buckminster fullerenes. How many pentagonal and hexagonal shapes are there in the Buckminster fullerenes? What is nanotube? Who discovered the nanotubes? What is catenation process? What is how the catenation process will be occur? How the hydrocarbon will be produced? Which components are present in the hydrocarbon? What is saturated hydrocarbon? What is unsaturated hydrocarbon? Explain the combustion reaction. What is oxidation reaction? Explain the substitution reaction. What is addition reaction? They will ask for 4 marks, very important 4 reactions. Explain the below reactions: combustion reactions, addition reactions, oxidation reaction, substitution reaction. This is very important for 8 marks and 4 marks. What is esterification process? Explain an activity in the presence of esterification process. What is soapanification process? What is micelle? How the micelle will be present? What is soap molecule? In this session, very important for 8 marks and the 4 marks is reactions. What is the chemical properties of an carbon atom? Combustion reaction, oxidation reaction, substitution reaction and addition reaction. These 4 reactions are very important for the 4 marks, and the esterification activity is also very important for 4 marks. I hope you are all understood my seminar. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe.